You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this Chinese musical instrument. For more names from music, make sure to stay tuned. Related names, there's quite a few here that are a bit confusing. So that's from Mandarin, from China originally, and that's why the spelling is a bit confusing. Guqin, yes, Q in Mandarin, or at least the way we write Mandarin with the English alphabet, Q is pronounced like ch, okay, like ch. So replace the Q with ch, it makes a lot more sense. Guqin, Guqin, okay, you got it? Guqin, good on you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.